welcome to my channel. My name is Belçin and my community also knows me as Bello. Normally in this channel I was filming the videos of how I'm crocheting a piece, but today I want to make some vlog about how is my days going and what I'm actually doing. Like, I want to give you more understanding and I want you to also involve my whole process of creating content. Some of you might already know that I'm a content creator and crochet and knitwear artist. Basically creating content on YouTube and also sharing different contents on TikTok and Instagram. Besides that, I also started to write pattern. Normally, I was always crocheting or knitting freehand. If I wanted to create a skirt or a pullover, I was checking out some different designs from Pinterest or Instagram. Sometimes it's just coming naturally to my mind. I'm seeing a picture of a place or even some furnitures at my home, like this pillow or something different. I was getting inspiration from the colors and I was trying to create something. But now I wanted to also create something with having a pattern. I started to write my pattern, and besides that I will also show you my working space. I have a quite big living room, so I'm using half of the living room as my home office. This is my dinner table, but in the day I'm using it as my office table. I don't knit or crochet here, but usually if I have to work or plan something on my laptop, or if I wanna draw or write something, I use this corner. This notebook is really important for me. I usually make my designs on this book, and here's my avocado plant. Now I'm working on some hats with pearls. That's why it's a little bit messy. Here is the mirror and here is me. And I stored my yarn with this shelf that you are seeing at the moment. I really liked seeing my yarns, similar colors. It's also giving me some inspiration. And I'm spending most of my day on this couch. I'm knitting or crocheting and watching something at the same time. So I use this couch pretty often. And these pieces I also wanted to show you. I'm working on a collection at the moment and I will have a drop sales. I will sell those pieces, and at the moment I'm also working another vest like this, but a little bit bigger version. Here's my dummy doll. I just got it last month and it really helps me a lot with understanding the size. I wrote my first crochet pattern for this top. I called it Fluffy Jungle Crochet Top. I really liked how this greens and beige came out. It gave me a little bit of jungle vibe, that's why I wanted to call it with that way. I opened an application form for this testing. Now I will look for the people who applied for the form and I will choose some artists who are fitting with my vibe, who experienced pattern testing before, and let's go for choosing them. I really like the vibe of this artist. I think I will contact with her definitely. Let's go out, grab some coffee and get some yarn. I wanted to show you which yarns I got. And look at the lighting, it's super nice right now. There's like a pinky sunlight. I really liked how I look right now. I think I will make some photos after the video. So what I got is, I got these yarns that you see. Wait, I will try to shoot it from the sun. There is some metallic yarn. This is purple and blue. This one is like a gray metallic. And this one that you see has a kind of an orange pinky vibe. I like the color combination. And for these ones, they were so cheap. I got them for €1. Normally it was €5, but somehow in the Woolworth there was a discount, like a crazy discount. And if you are based in Germany, I would definitely recommend you to go to Woolworth because sometimes they have cheap offers. For €1 you cannot get anything, like especially with the wools, like they are so expensive. I think this yarns made my day. This one that you see, I got this one for €2. It's also a little bit glittered, like a pinky vibe. One last wool, this one. I think these two yarns are pretty similar, just different colors. It's like a polyacrylic. And it's not the best one, but the color combination is perfect. So these are the yarns that I got today. For 5 pieces I paid like €12. I think it's so cheap, really cheap. So now I'm gonna end this small vlog. I really enjoyed sharing my life with you. I hope you also had some fun. As you know, I'm sharing the final piece or how I'm crocheting a piece. But today I wanted to also show you behind the scene, like how my days are going, how is my working space. I will also share my Instagram address. If you want to see more from my life, you can go check out and follow me. Also make sure to subscribe if you want to see my next video. I will continue making these vlogs and I will also share with you how to crochet a piece. You can tell me about your feelings, what kind of content you want to see. I will definitely keep it in mind. So thank you again hanging out with me and see you in the next video.